Janice Silver, and this is the wonderful world of meatballs. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Okay, please, don't sneeze into the meatballs. It's very cold out, so that means that we need to make about 1.5 million meatballs. So into this ground beef, you're going to put any kind of spices you want. I use some dried mustard. This is sweet and sour meatballs. So I also use some onion powder, some garlic powders, a little salt, a little pepper, whatever you want, throw it in there. Because it's sweet and sour, you're going to need some sugar. For the sour part, apple cider vinegar. Same thing, throw it in, whatever you're comfortable with. Not a lot, maybe less than 1/4 of a cup. Then you need something to bind it together. So I put 2 eggs in there. I also throw in a little bit of breadcrumbs. It just gives it a little more sort of substance. Again, as much as you want. I put in maybe 3/4 of a cup. And now I'm starting the mush process, which is, I believe, a technique that I learned at the Cordon Bleu cooking school. Now I'm also going to add some onion. You can finely chop an onion, or I actually like to do it in the mini Cuisinart. Let's see if this could actually work. And the answer is no. This is a small onion, but so far I started with these and my meatballer. You just grab the meat, take it out, roll it a little so it stays together, and then we're going to put it in a big pot. And in that pot I have all the same spices. I have the sugar, I have the apple cider vinegar, and I also have tomato sauce. Just fill up a big pot with whatever you want. It can be any amount, just so that the meatballs are covered. I never actually end up knowing how many meatballs there are, so it doesn't seem to matter. Somehow they all get eaten. The best way to do this is just lightly scoop up the meat with the meatballer and just lightly put them together so they stick together into an actual ball. And just continue, keep making meatballs till you're blue in the face. And that's how you know that you're done making the meatballs. I'm not quite blue in the face yet, so I'm still making meatballs. I'll be here until Shavuos. So I already have that cooking on the stove here. I have it on a medium heat. And then you just put the meatballs right into the sauce. Once they're stirred and they're all covered with the sauce, I cover it and turn the heat down, and 2.5 hours we'll have delicious meatballs. And here's the finished product.